In this video, I'm going to show you how to create split screen in CapCut. So the first step is to add your video to your timeline. So you're gonna have to add the first video and then select it. Now after that, at the bottom, we have all these editing features. So simply swipe until you see the mask option. Now once we get here, we just have to select horizontal, and as you can see, it's going to split our video in half. Now we can use our both fingers to basically move this and make it vertical here like this, and we can also make it horizontal, so it depends on how you like to create this split screen. Now what we can do, we can basically add another video. So as you can see, I have this video, and if I click on the plus button, so let me go here to the library and let's choose this video here. So I'm going to select this video, then I'm going to scroll here and tap on overlay and add this under here. So now if I select this video and then go again to the mask option and then I select horizontal, as you can see, I can create this split screen effect. So basically that's all you have to do. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.